Hi, my name's Jeremy Humphreys, and on this visual bite we'll be looking at focusing on the move. Your FS7 has a super 35mm camera sensor. It's a big sensor. It's roughly 26mm across. That means focus is always going to be an issue, particularly if the distance between a contributor and your camera is always moving. We have to be checking it the whole time. On the FS7 I have focus magnification programmed twice. I have it on assignable number 4 on the main camera pistol grip, and I have it on assignable number 2 on the main camera body. It's there as a reinforcement to keep reminding me that I actually need to be using it just to keep checking focus. I actually have it set to focus magnification times 4 and focus magnification times 8, and I can use either. The other way of checking focus is peaking. Peaking needs to be set within the camera. We actually need to set it within the viewfinder menu. So we scroll down to viewfinder, we select, we scroll down to peaking, select, and you can see at the top here we need to turn it on within the menu. We turn it on, we come back to the main peaking menu. Now peaking type always catches everyone out. We go into peaking type, we select it, and we set to colour. You will not see colour peaking if this is not turned on. We scroll down again to colour, select, scroll down to red. I'm choosing red because red's my favourite in terms of actually being able to see the focus. I think it's the best colour to see it with. We scroll back, and then on the viewfinder we can actually see the peaking working out of the menu, and we need to press the peaking button on the side of the viewfinder. And then in terms of focus, we just adjust the focus until the red peaking is outlining our subject and the colour is the most strongest hue. And of course we can also use it with focus magnifier at times 4, or times 8. We actually set it so the colour is at its most strong. So I'm often using peaking at the end of the day when my eyes are slightly tired. That red outline is useful just in terms of reinforcing that I'm in focus, and I'm finding that sometimes in combination, because you can use it with the focus magnification as well. In combination with the focus magnification, it's very useful just to double check. You can use peaking on its own, or you can use it with the focus magnification. So the monitoring of focus throughout your filming is crucial, particularly as we're filming with a super 35mm sensor. So either using assignable number 4 or using assignable number 2. The continual monitoring of focus with the focus mag or even peaking is essential. The other thing to mention is these Canon EF lenses are not parfocal. What does that mean? Well, basically when we zoom in, we focus and zoom out, we are not guaranteed the lens will hold focus through the entire focal length range. So again, we need to monitor and check focus throughout when we are filming on the move.